वेर्ना पंचायतीच्या सरपंच पदा लोरेन फर्नांडीस हिची बिनविरोध निवड जाल्ली आसा। गावात भेदभाव दवरिनासतना सगळ्या वार्डांनी उदरगतीच्या कामांचेर भर दितली म्हण नव्यान निवडून आयिल्ल्या सरपंचान सांगला। RDXGOA खातीर वेर्णाच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
Elected unopposed by all my 8 punches, and my plan for the village is the development. I will never step back for any development with the cooperation of my punches, and I Sarpanch also, and I MLA also. Any development regarding the ground, especially my priority is the football ground, as it's people's demand to develop the ground, and I'm for the ground and all the it's not only of any ward, all the wards, whatever best can be done, we will do with the support of all the parties.
पयलीं म्हाका सगळ्यांनी अनोपोज धाडलो आनी आमगे म्युच्युअल अंडरस्टँडींग आसलो फर्स्ट 2.5 years म्हाका आनी मुजे फाटल्यान आमगे दुसऱ्या लोरीन आहले हांवें मुगे उतराची हांव देंवलो